and it is the one-of-a-kind Shockwave jet-powered truck, the world's fastest semi. And who said so? Well, the folks from the Guinness Book of Records clocked this truck at 376 miles per hour. And they did that on a runway. And they did that from a start of absolute zero. And within seconds, that speed was achieved. And nobody has beat it yet. It is operated by the Racing Darnell family. Father Neil Darnell and his wife and mother of the driver, Marilyn Darnell, first generation promoters of motorsports and drivers of high-performance vehicles, have given the keys to this one-of-a-kind truck over to their son, Chris Darnell. Crew Chief Wayne Rachel is also with the team, and the truck, when it's not running, will be in a ground display area where you can get relatively close to it and check out and purchase their souvenir t-shirts. And if you buy a t-shirt, they will autograph a hero card for you. This is a featured app that brings its own weather. Cumulus clouds, thunder, and lightning. And heat for all you morning folks. They call it the Shockwave, and now you know why. Those 3 jet engines will come alive and produce a total of 36,000 horsepower. Stacks of the truck. They are on the hot run. That smoke is laid back. And the drogue chutes come out, which are the only way you're going to stop this machine. The brakes will fade if you try to bring them in at these speeds. Brakes do not happen until about 100 or 80 miles an hour or so, and then they gently come in. Okay, we have it on the radar gun. Our air boss Ralph Royce says 316 miles an hour was documented on that run. Kevin Coleman in the beautiful German building. Racing this yellow flame-blowing Shockwave. Shockwave has 3 jet engines, 3 Pratt & Whitney J34 jet engines. They used to power 3 different Navy T-2 Buckeye aircraft. They provide a combined horsepower of 36. My guy is powered by a light of intimidation. While Kevin Coleman in the airplane has raced other high-speed jet-powered vehicles and air shows, we found out at our mandatory performance safety briefing this morning, these 2 kids have not raced together. So you know that neither one of them are going to want to lose. Kevin Coleman in the air, defending the honor of the pilot. And 652 Oliver Street in Williamsport, Pennsylvania, American engine since 1929. The jet-powered truck, low to your left, has a combined horsepower of 36,000 horsepower, so we have to handicap this race. That's right, Danny. What we do is Kevin is going to be flying by 149, so he's got a flying start. Now, the jet truck is starting from absolute zero, so he has to make up a lot of ground. He starts at 7 and within seconds, this race will be history. So sliding downhill is Kevin Coleman with a smoke on. Now here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Get those cameras ready. Chris Darnell has to see the airplane. Then he unleashes 36,000 horsepower. There's no smoking of his tires. He's got jet power. They're in full aftermarket.